Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Dr. Ray Alcorn. I'm founder and CEO of Exceedence Limited. I've worked my entire 20-year career in renewables, and every year I've seen investment in the sector grow, so much so that by 2030, $85 trillion of assets will be under management. That's 4 times the US national debt, just to put it in context. All of this sector need techno-financial models in order to make informed decisions about investments or projects. They really need to know how much money am I going to make and when am I going to make it. But there are no standard tools that marry the worlds of technical and financial performance. All of this investment I've told you about is being managed through hand-built tools, mostly in Excel and mostly with all the problems that entails. Hand-built tools that look like this. And this is the nub of the problem. It takes days or weeks to build these models, and it takes the expertise of at least 2 people. There are no standards involved, so what that means is no 2 models ever give you the same answer. And finally, once it's finished, nobody outside your organisation will trust the answer, and it needs to be constantly audited. We have found that on average, people are spending 80% of their time building, maintaining and auditing models as opposed to using them. So just imagine, out of every single week, only spending one day being productive. We want to change that and focus on analytics and optimization. And it's not just us that's saying this. Here are the thought leaders in Europe in the investment sector, and they are crying out for tools like this. Thankfully, we saw this coming. In 2011, we had the idea to create techno-financial software that in every way exceeded the capabilities of Excel. We had the ambition to make a standard suite of tools, and we achieved that. The concept was developed through government funding in a world-class research centre and licensed to Exceedence in 2015 as a final software product. And it is this product that we're selling. It's called Exceedence Finance. It's a B2B enterprise software solution that's delivered on-premise. It's something standard, it's robust, and it's very quick and easy to use. And it will replace those hand-built tools. It's kind of like Sage accounting for renewables. And with it, we can flip that 80-20 ratio right on its head. This saves time, it saves resource, and it gets the user to the analysis phase of the project much quicker. And this will allow a deep dive and a focus on optimization and risk assessment. Ultimately, there'll be more projects and it'll make more money. So, here's an example of our customers using it. GRS have offices all around the world, and they prospect for global solutions, global renewable solutions all around the world. They look at different projects and look at a variety of different technologies across different domains. They use our software to get like-for-like comparisons and make key investment decisions. It was so quick and easy to use, they actually built 3 models while sitting in Manila Airport. They built 3 models while sitting in Manila Airport and decided which plane to take next. That was an interesting support call. Our competitive advantage is that we've productized and standardized a complex, deep domain problem. We are the first to market with it, and we have a value proposition right across the entire supply chain. And that supply chain is huge. What it does is it covers project developers, utilities, governments, and funders. And it's these funders that we're focused on, because they're our sweet spot customers. They are actively seeking us out, and by selling into the funders, we create de facto standards. We've built a CRM with a TAM of 350 million, and we're driving our customers through the acquisition phases. And we have customers. And what we've been learning from them is that they require a degree of support, some customization, and some data, and that they would like to consume our product as a SaaS model. That's quite convenient because we had already planned to convert our on-premise solution to SaaS, but now we're accelerating because this will allow us to cost-effectively deliver into the supply chain. We've already been making money. We've got revenues from licenses, recurrent support, and of course services. With the SaaS product, we plan to bundle all this together and allow us to achieve scale more quickly. Exceedence crosses ICT, FinTech, and Clean Tech. As you can see from our team, we've got deep domain expertise, track record, and experience in all of those areas. We've got skills to develop, support, and commercialize the software, as well as any services around it. So just to recap, we have customers for our MVP, we have a pipeline, and we have revenues. And just last week, we secured a 100k EU grant to start the SaaS build. We then plan to raise 500,000 euros in Q3 2016. So please call over for a demo, come and see us. And one more thing that I wanted to say, if you indulge me just 1 second, is we believe in responsible investment, and we don't believe in wasting resources. So instead of giving you a toy in your goodie bag, what we've given you is the gift of carbon offset. We planted a tree in the Amazon for every single one of you. We planted 100 trees. So if you want to talk to us about it, come upstairs later on and we'll discuss how we calculated your carbon offset. Okay, thank you.